in that more disciplined zone, and he's playing each point and each situation on its merit, and he's really locked in. He's absolutely incredible. And even from a coaching perspective,
dangerous, destructive, and coming for all the belts.
Going to opt out because I think he just had a season where he thinks he can get a longer-term contract.
His son is going to be a Laker. I will bet you on it because Clutch will make it happen. Clutch will send out the message.
Big saves as well at the same time. And how old was he when he came them old?
But a lapse in concentration maybe, and almost a get for Bristol City.
Yeah, probably the argument is, was it a foul? I think Bristol City maybe would have preferred that to set it up. See Alana Kennedy just all at 6 and 7. For me, that's a foul. It's almost like a rugby tackle. Amy Rogers plays on, but I think that should have been pulled back for the free kick.
Here, Rahul.
To look for, including Foster, who's in on Onana, who made sure there was no way through. Brilliant save.
Turn the momentum.
Seville, about an hour from here. Seville to the north. And so
power oversteer in these greasy conditions. A lot of water sitting up on the road here.
Dynamics that make you look twice.
For sure, but specifically Tampa.
This planet.
It's up to you.